Good day everyone, my name is Linmar Tilamayo from BPED 2A and today we will evaluate the traditional content-based education to an outcome-based education. What is traditional-based educational system? Traditional-based educational system is a curriculum that focuses on what students needs to learn. It was often memorization of dates, facts, theories. They measure the success of the students by how the students recall or reproduce the information that was given. On the other hand, the outcome-based education focus on what student knows and evaluate on how they perform their task. Teacher-centered. But while they ensure the students is well in knowledge, it doesn't really ensure that they can use the knowledge in real life situation. That's where outcome-based education or OBE comes in. In an OBE, the focus shift from what students are taught or what they can actually do with what they have learned. The core question isn't what did the students learn. Outcome-based education, the learner-centered. Instead of prioritizing content delivery, OBE focuses on clear learning outcomes, the specific skills, knowledge, and attitudes students need to develop by the end of their education. In a content-based system, the teacher is often the primary source of information, and success is measured through standardized tests. OBE, on the other hand, focus on students achieving predefined outcomes, which may vary across subjects but are all tied to real-world applications. Assessments includes projects, presentations, and performance tasks and demonstrate a student's mastery of these outcomes. This shift to OBE has several benefits. Number one is relevance. The learning outcomes are directly related to skills that students will need in their career in everyday lives. Number two is engagement. With the focus on active learning, students become more engaged as they're encouraging to collaborate, think critically, and solve problems. Personalized learning. Now in number three, OBE allows for more flexible teaching approach catering to different learning styles and paces. And OBE benefits real-world skills, higher students' engagement, tailored learning experience. However, OBE isn't without its challenges. There are several challenges that the OBE faces. Number one is teacher training. For OBE to work, teachers need significant professional development to shift from traditional methods to outcome-based strategies. And assessment complexity. Measuring student success based on skills and competencies can be more subjective and time-consuming than traditional tests. Resource intensive. OBE often requires more resourceful in terms of time, materials, and infrastructure. There are also other challenges like need for teaching training, complex assessments, and high resources demands. Despite these challenges, the global shift toward OBE reflects the challenging demands of the world. Employers now seek graduates who can think critically, solve problems, and collaborate effectively. The move from content-based learning to outcome-based approach better equips students for these realities. In a world driven by innovative and complex challenges, OBE aims to ensure that every learner leaves school not just with facts and figures, but with skills and mindsets that they need to thrive. The shift from traditional to outcome-based education is more than just change in teaching methods. It is a transformation in how we prepare future generation for life beyond the classroom. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey.